Hello. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up VirtualBox, complete VirtualBox setup inside your Windows machine. So first of all, you have to search for VirtualBox and go to the official website. And here you have to download the software from here. Click on the download option. And here it is. You can see VirtualBox 7.2. Remember, just click on Windows host to download. I just click on Windows host and you can see the downloading has started and it will be downloaded. The file size is 168 MB. This is VirtualBox 7.2.4. Since I am using Windows 11, that's why I am going to click on this Windows host. Okay. Now, apart from this software, you need this VirtualBox extension pack. So you can see this is a extension pack. Use an educational license governs your access to use the VirtualBox extension pack. It does not apply to the VirtualBox base package. Okay. It means this is extension pack. This will just improve and give you some facility, extra facilities. It is like a plugin. So how to download the extension pack? Just click on accept and download here and done. So you can see extension pack also downloaded. Now first of all, we have to install this VirtualBox. So just click on it, click on VirtualBox, click on yes, and here you will see the just click on next, accept the license agreement, next, next, yes, yes, next, install, and installation begin. And now you can close this browser. Once this installation begin, just click on finish and you will see this VirtualBox is here. So your VirtualBox is here. Now you can use this VirtualBox. Now the option is how to install the extension pack. So now if you want to install the extension pack, you can go to file, then go to tools, and then you can go to the extension. You can see extensions, click on extension, then click on this add button, install button, click on, and now go to the folder where you have downloaded the extension pack. Go here, click on open and click on install. Just scroll down and I agree, click on I agree and done. In this way you can successfully install. You can see here extension pack installed for VirtualBox 7.2, and in this way you can do the complete setup of VirtualBox inside your Windows machine, along with like how to set up the machine, how to set up the extension pack, and how to do all those things inside your virtual machine. So I have just shown you in this video how to set up virtual machine, complete virtual machine setup inside your Windows machine using VirtualBox and VirtualBox extension pack. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.